Welcome to Thailand, affectionately known as the Land of Smiles, where ancient legends seamlessly blend with the enchantment of everyday life in a harmonious dance that captivates hearts and ignites the imagination. Imagine strolling through vibrant streets under a sky that dances with brilliant colors at dawn and dusk, watching the sun dip below the horizon amidst golden waves that shimmer like precious gems. Begins your journey into a realm of unparalleled beauty and diversity, where stunning natural landscapes intertwine with bustling urban life to create a masterpiece of cultural and environmental splendor. Embark on a unique adventure that balances tranquility with excitement, offering serene retreats in lush tropical forests alongside thrilling explorations of dynamic cities. Let us guide you through an unforgettable tour to uncover the secrets of this magical country, delving into the profound world of Thai massage, immersing yourself in lively, colorful streets filled with sounds and sights, discovering the pristine beauty of its beaches with their white sands and turquoise waters, experiencing the spiritual serenity of its temples that narrate tales of a rich past, and celebrating the joy of its vibrant festivals that honor life in all its facets. Thailand boasts a tropical climate characterized by three distinct seasons: the dry season, the hot season, and the rainy season. The dry season spanning from November to February is the prime time to visit, offering mild temperatures and perfect weather for exploring bustling cities and majestic temples. Picture yourself wandering through the lively markets of Bangkok, or lounging on the soft white sands of Phuket, basking in the gentle sea breeze. For adventure enthusiasts, the rainy season from June to October unveils Thailand's luscious landscapes, with forests adorned in vibrant greenery and waterfalls cascading with renewed vigor. Despite the occasional heavy rains, this season provides a unique opportunity to witness nature in its full splendor and explore remote islands that are less crowded, allowing for a more intimate and distinctive Thai experience. Thailand is a haven for travelers of all budgets, offering a wide range of accommodation options to suit every financial plan. Enjoy comfortable stays in hotels starting at just $30 per night, providing essential amenities and authentic Thai hospitality. For those seeking luxury, opulent villas, priced above $200 per night, offer exceptional services and breathtaking views of either the sparkling sea or the majestic mountains. Navigating the cities is remarkably affordable, with an array of transportation options such as colorful tuk-tuks, motorbikes, and an efficient subway system in Bangkok that make it easy to reach key attractions without breaking the bank. Don't miss the chance to savor delicious street food in bustling night markets, where you can indulge in mouth-watering dishes starting at just $1, adding a touch of adventure and local flavor to your culinary journey. Thailand is renowned as one of the safest tourist destinations in the world, where the locals are known for their friendliness, warmth, and exceptional hospitality, making visitors feel like part of the community. Nevertheless, it is advisable to follow general safety precautions to ensure a comfortable and secure travel experience. Avoiding remote areas at night and keeping personal belongings secure are simple yet effective measures. The Thai government invests significantly in enhancing tourist safety by increasing the presence of security forces in popular areas and improving infrastructure to maintain a safe environment for all visitors. Additionally, 24-hour emergency services and accessible police stations and embassies provide peace of mind, allowing you to explore this magnificent country with confidence and ease. To fully immerse yourself in the rich and varied experiences Thailand has to offer, a stay of 10 to 14 days is recommended. Begin with 3 days in Bangkok, where you can explore its awe-inspiring temples and bustling markets, visiting iconic sites like the Emerald Buddha Temple, and enjoying a scenic boat ride along the Chao Phraya River. Spend 3 days in Chiang Mai, delving into its stunning natural landscapes and engaging in cultural activities such as visiting organic farms and participating in traditional Thai cooking classes. For 4 days of relaxation on pristine beaches, snorkeling in crystal clear waters, and discovering vibrant coral reefs teeming with marine life. Finally, allocate the last 2 days for unwinding and preparing for your departure, giving you time to shop for unique souvenirs, sample more delectable Thai cuisine, and reflect on your unforgettable journey through this enchanting land. Thailand places a high priority on health and cleanliness, offering modern and well-equipped medical facilities to cater to the needs of visitors from around the globe. Major cities like Bangkok and Chiang Mai boast state-of-the-art hospitals and clinics that provide excellent medical care, ensuring you receive the necessary treatment if needed. It is recommended to drink bottled water to avoid any potential health issues, especially when traveling to rural areas or remote islands. Additionally, using sunscreen and insect repellent is advisable when visiting natural areas to protect yourself from strong sunlight and insects. Thailand also maintains rigorous cleanliness standards for its beaches and tourist spots, ensuring a pleasant and healthy environment for all travelers. Simple health practices, such as regular hand washing and consuming fresh, well-cooked food, will help you stay healthy and enjoy your trip to the fullest.
To be kind, I find it you let you warm. I see I from now that I feel the sun should fall so down. I burned the tear. I sang to just all for dear. Every away, and I feel a fortune for so down. I'll be hotter to save you.
No trip to Thailand is complete without savoring its world-famous cuisine, which combines distinctive flavors and rich spices to create an unforgettable culinary experience.
I'll stand it forever. I will have a fortune for showdown. I'll be hot to the same you.
Don't miss the chance to indulge in local desserts like mango with sticky rice, a simple yet incredibly delicious treat that pairs sweet mango with slightly salty sticky rice in perfect harmony. Additionally, explore a variety of other Thai dishes such as som tam, a crisp and spicy green papaya salad, and satay, flavorful grilled chicken skewers marinated in aromatic spices. The night markets in Thailand are the perfect setting to experience these delectable dishes and immerse yourself in the local food culture, offering a diverse array of street food that caters to every palate. As your journey through Thailand comes to an end, we have a special surprise in store for you. An exploration of one of the country's most secret and hidden gems. A secluded temple nestled deep within the heart of the jungle, known only to a few intrepid travelers. This temple is said to be a sanctuary for monks seeking peace and meditation, surrounded by untouched nature and an atmosphere that takes your breath away. It is not merely a place of worship, but a piece of Thai history and heritage that preserves its mysteries and beauty away from the hustle and bustle of daily life. Join us as we uncover the story of this hidden sanctuary, offering a virtual tour that transports you to a world of serenity and natural splendor, reflecting the profound and rich spirit of Thailand. From the revitalizing massages that breathe life into your body, to the bustling streets that tell stories of past and present. From the mesmerizing beaches that take your breath away, to the festivals that capture hearts and bring people together in joyous unity, Thailand is a unique blend of unforgettable experiences. Step into this magical world where every moment holds a new adventure and a memory worth cherishing. Allow yourself to be immersed in the beauty of this extraordinary country where stunning nature, deep-rooted culture, and unparalleled hospitality come together in perfect harmony. Until our next adventure, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to stay connected with our ongoing journey of discovering the wonders of the world.